Hey everyone, today we're going to be going over the top 3 ways to make money online as a broke individual. Now, I'm not going to guarantee that you guys are just going to make tens of thousands of dollars in just your first month of working online. But what I will guarantee to you guys is that these methods are the same methods that very successful people have used to make money online. So it is more than possible to be making over $100 a day by doing these methods. In fact, my brother actually has a channel called Make Money Matt, and he has become a multi-millionaire at a very young age by doing work online. And lucky for you guys and for me, he shared us his top 3 ways on how to start making money online. Let's just get right into it. First, we're going to talk about a lucrative YouTube traffic generation strategy. Now, I know this sounds complex if you just say it. It's kind of a mouthful, but trust me, it will start to make sense in just a minute. And I'm not talking about doing YouTube in the sense that most people do it, such as how I'm doing it right now, sitting in front of a camera talking to you guys. My brother actually runs 12 different channels, and these 12 different channels have been running for years now. And he actually still makes money from ad revenue on videos that he's uploaded 6 or 7 years ago. And he started out with YouTube by making faceless YouTube channels. So let's talk about exactly what a faceless YouTube channel is and how they work. Well, a faceless YouTube channel is exactly what it sounds like, as it is making videos without having to show your face. So I can go, woo. Now, these videos that you generate all fall under a specific niche of your choice. As long as your videos provide a sort of value or entertainment to your viewers, there's no doubt that your channel can do well. Remember that value can be either educational or entertaining, or both. You've probably seen a ton of these faceless YouTube channels, but you also probably didn't know that they can be making a lot of money. Who knows, it could even be some kind of kid behind a faceless YouTube channel. You just never know. Which also goes to show that anybody can start a faceless YouTube channel or just a YouTube channel in general. Let's talk about how exactly to get started with a faceless YouTube channel. Now, there are many different ways that you could make a faceless YouTube channel video. You could literally just screen record different videos and photos on your phone and then compile them all together. Record a little voiceover. You could make a Google Slides slideshow and then do a voiceover this way. Or you could create little whiteboard animations or little animations. And you don't even need a fancy microphone to record voiceovers. You can even just use your phone microphone, as that works perfectly fine. And I know a lot of big YouTubers that actually still use just a phone microphone. Now, there are 2 different ways that you guys can make money from a faceless YouTube channel. And the first way that I'm going to talk about is through ad revenue. After you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel, you become a part of YouTube's partner program. Now, when you become a part of this, YouTube will start to put ads on your videos, and then anytime a person watches these ads, you get a cut of this money. Now, you're probably saying, Kayla, that sounds great, but how do I have time to do all of this and to hit this goal of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time? And how can I even have a life outside of just making YouTube videos? Well, having YouTube channels is a form of passive income. And that's why I like to call YouTube a digital real estate. You just have to put in the work once, and then you can make money for years to come on the videos that you put out there. You could literally be traveling halfway around the world. Maybe let's say we're going to Universal Studios, and you wouldn't even have to worry about the money aspect of your travels, because you can just go into autopilot and your YouTube channel will continue making money for you while you get to enjoy your time in the Harry Potter world. I'm also going to get into how to make YouTube videos without actually having to do anything. At best, you would only have to do, let's say, about an hour of work to get top-notch YouTube videos made for you. Once you get some traffic from YouTube, whether this be from a faceless YouTube channel or even a personal YouTube channel, and let me just say, both of these channels can certainly work and do just as well as the other. Now, let me introduce you guys to something called a partner program or an affiliate program if you aren't familiar with one. Well, this is where you partner up with somebody and then promote their business's products. And then every time somebody makes a purchase from the referral link that you give out on your YouTube channel, you get a percentage of the sale as commission. Typically, most affiliate programs can offer a very low commission commission rate. So I want to warn you guys of this. And for that reason, I do not suggest that you sign up for these. But the method that I'm about to show you can seriously change the game and make you some serious money. So we want to stay away from these affiliate marketing programs with low ticket products. But let's jump into something even better, which is finding a high ticket product. And this is key. You can find these different high-ticket digital products from places like clickbank.com or digistore24.com. These sites typically offer very high commission rates from 50% to even 70%. And since these products are already priced anywhere from $500 to $1,000, every time you get a sale with that referral link, you will be making hundreds to thousands of dollars per sale. My brother actually has a course on Digistore24 called To Mastery and Monetization, which teaches people how to actually start up their own YouTube career. He offers a 50% commission rate, so go out there and grab a link. And he's personally paid out over $600,000 to commissions. I'm not biased or anything because he's my brother, but I say go grab that link. So once you've signed up to be an affiliate on one of these sites, here's what you can do next. Just head on over to the affiliate program that you signed up for, and you'll see a section called Affiliate Support Page. These sections will have affiliate assets for you to utilize. And these are basically photos that you can put out on social media to attract customers, as well as different scripts or emails, etc. And now it's time to get into the second method that we can make money with a YouTube channel. You can start to make videos on your channel related to the product that you are promoting. For example, let's just say I have a channel that is related to a health niche, and I make a video on the top 10 online yoga courses. Wouldn't it just be a no-brainer to add links to these different courses in our video descriptions? And remember that these videos that you make are going to stay up forever, if you choose, of course. It is evergreen content that is going to continue to grow and make money for you over time. My brother actually makes thousands per day by promoting his course. And it is for this reason that I believe this is the best way to go to make money online, which is by making your own digital product or online course, of course. You guys just need to put in the work once when you are making these videos for your course, and then you'll just continue to make money on autopilot. As long as you know more than 1% than an average person would on a specific subject, then you're good to go to start teaching people and making your own digital course. All you have to do here is sit down and talk about a subject that you know a lot about, or maybe you could do some research on a subject that you want to know more about. Sit down, make a video talking about it, and then you can sell that course with almost zero effort. The best thing here is you don't even need millions of views to make money from your own course. But I recommend you guys picking a niche within these specific topics that I'm about to name for you guys. And these topics include health, wealth, finance, relationships, and technology. And I picked these topics for a specific reason, because these topics answer questions that a lot of people are searching for, meaning a lot of people have questions within these topics that you can answer with making a course. So if you help these people and solve some of their problems, you can potentially make a lot of money. Some of the biggest platforms that you can sell your course on include Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare, and even Amazon. However, I would like you guys to keep in mind that going with ClickBank or Digistore24 will get you more sales. And this is because these websites offer much better affiliate programs, so there's more people on them. And with more people comes more traffic to your course. As for how much money you can potentially make doing that, let's break it down a little, and it's simple math. Even if you're only getting a couple thousand views in a month on your YouTube channel, you can still get a good amount of sales from that. My brother told me that when he got his first sale, he was only getting a few hundred views and only had 5 videos at the time on his channel Make Money Matt. With just 100 sales a month and a course priced at $200, you would be making $20,000 in just 1 month while putting in the work only once and then sitting back and relaxing and continuously making money with a passive income. Now it's time to get into a little bit of a secret. How can you automate all of this and just let your business kind of run on autopilot and sit back and actually make this money? So once you guys have gotten everything set up and you start to make some money, it's time to start outsourcing things that become repetitive and boring. After you start to make a few $1,000s from your YouTube channel and your courses, you should head on over to Upwork. On Upwork, you can actually hire somebody for just $10 an hour to start doing different aspects of your job for you, whether this be writing scripts or editing your videos. And you can find these people that want these jobs from either Upwork or Fiverr, I suggest. Just imagine for a second that you had some online income streams and an online job that was doing well enough that you didn't even have to do your regular job. And then with this comes more freedom, as you can go on to do what you truly love in life. Because with being your own boss, you can work when you want, choose when you don't want to work, and then just do whatever you want with the rest of your time. For example, my ideal life would probably be waking up somewhere warm and then going to get a matcha or a chai latte, and then relaxing in the sun, tanning, reading a book, preferably a fantasy book, and then maybe going on a bike ride, doing a little work here and there, and then just having the freedom to eat at all of my favorite restaurants and not having to worry about the money aspect of it. And then maybe someday traveling to Paris or Japan. Anyways, we all have dreams, but let me tell you guys that having your dream day in the life is actually possible with making money online. My older brother Matt has actually proven this to me, and I do take a lot of inspiration from him, and he has been very helpful to me and guiding me. And it's part of the reason that I'm actually running this channel, is to help some of you guys achieve these goals too. As we mentioned, the first step to start making money online while traveling is starting a YouTube channel, but in a specific way. Now check out this video, which reveals the whole process on how to start making money with a YouTube channel without even having to show your face. It reveals the best niches if you're starting up a new YouTube channel, how to generate content within these niches, how to actually get a lot of views on your channel and make this worth it for you, how to monetize to the next level and potentially make as much money as possible. Check it out, and I'll see you guys there.